Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make card box with paper. Start by laying out your cardstock flat and measuring carefully to avoid crooked folds. Score along fold lines with a bone folder or blunt knife for crisp edges. Test fit the panels before gluing to ensure corners meet evenly. Use strong glue or double-sided tape and press firmly until set. Allow adhesive to dry fully before decorating or inserting cards. When assembling, fold each scored line slowly to keep paper fibers intact and neat. Bring panels together and press tabs into place, checking alignment as you go. Use a bone folder or the back of a spoon to burnish seams for a professional finish. If using tape, reinforce interior seams for added strength. Allow the assembled box to sit under weight for 10 to 15 minutes so glue bonds securely before moving to decoration. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical projects. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long craft days when you need comfort and durability. They pair humorously with messy glue fingers and late-night folding sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Finish your card box by tidying edges and hiding seams with decorative strips or corner reinforcements. Consider adding a small magnetic closure or ribbon loop for secure storage and a neat opening. Test the box with a sample stack of cards to confirm fit and adjust if needed. Personalize with stamped images, labels, or a name tag to make it gift-ready. Store in a cool, dry place to preserve shape and paper quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.